Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It is your boy D over here at D's Garage in the city of Corona, where we do audio installation, window tinting, auto glass, car accessory installations, and all that good stuff. So if you guys need anything, make sure to hit me up. I got you guys covered. Here we go. We got this 1985 Toyota pickup. Classic little pickup here. We're going to be doing some work on it. We're going to be upgrading the sound system on this one here. We're going to be replacing the old radio. We're going to be replacing the two front speakers, and we're going to be adding some 6x9s to the rear. Híjole, I forgot one thing. And hopefully it doesn't mess me up, but I guess we'll find out. Nah, I should have something laying around here to get that covered up. Anyways, let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing the 6x9s here, the 6x9 boxes, 4-channel amplifier, RCAs for the 4-channel, front speakers, radio with the EQ. Still got the CD player just in case you want to put in some CDs. You still got that option, and the 6x9s here. We're going to be hooking it up, making it sound real nice and good. Oh, I'm forgetting one other thing. We got some tweeters for it that the customer left here a while back. We're going to go ahead and install those for him. Oof, which ones did he get? I believe he dropped these off. We're going to be doing these here. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm just going to show you guys the steps little by little. Not showing you guys how to install it, because if you guys need something done, you got to come to me. Let's go.